guys, welcome to Sri Lanka, a country of variety, of choices, food, religion, tradition, customs, and anything you can imagine, also like nature. Now I'm gonna show you how people enjoy their life here, how they prepare the traditional meal, and how they serve. First of all, they use sometimes fire to cook because of the crisis that is running, or just because it's more delicious. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. If you want to use traditional kitchen, let's say, in Sri Lanka, you can just put fire. You can enjoy your food. It's so simple. You don't have to complicate things, right? Now I'm gonna show you how they serve the food. Actually, sometimes they use banana leaf. It's amazing how simple and how eco-friendly it might be, right?
You're gonna eat right now, right?
Yes, and
So
I'm just
breakfast
gonna.
and rice and some potato curry and some dry fish as well with onion.
Well, first of all, we have to say that rice and curry is like, number one in Sri
Yeah,
Lanka,
it's
right?
number one, right?
It's just like, the
It's the
most
favorite menu
the
of us.
most popular dish ever. And look at these guys, how they're gonna serve it. Just on banana leaves. Very simple, right? Very simple, and you don't waste like anything. You don't need like plates, so that's amazing. So that's curry they made. Lots of turmeric, lots of spices, lots of chili with rice. So here we go. And just to let you know, guys, traditionally in Sri Lanka, people they use their hands to eat because they can feel food better. Actually, their fingers are more resistant to temperature, as I was explained, and supposedly it tastes better. So enjoy your meal. Bye.